loop. These are metric tools, not standard.
So we have an extension.
Where's the,
We have no ratchet.
here's the ratchet.
We have a ratchet.
Mm-hmm. No, the other way. Yeah.
We have a socket.
Which is
These are not in order, I might say.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh, this is maybe
Somebody dropped this on the floor and failed to put it back. So on my second attempt, I got it correct because it's metric and I'm not used to it. Okay, now this one does not go back, it only goes forward.
you got to flip it over.
Gotta flip it over. Oh,
This
that goes
is German
backwards.
made. German
These
made.
are, these are,
that's pretty tight.
now mark down that the torque is pretty high. on this.
Pretty tight on there.
Okay, how much is this?
Almost a sneeze.
Yes, it's high torque. That's why we need this big long ratchet.
Probably undone it. Could have undone it with your hand. He's in the Tupperware bucket.
Cookie ratchet. My short small one. This is my
I could
short.
just pull it off with my fingers.
This is my short one. This doesn't fit on here very well.
Take them. Really?
Don't lose the old pieces there, Fred.
Let's make sure. Well, just put that right there for now.
Okay, that has an Allen. You have an
good.
Allen?
I'm country man.
And we need a metric tool for getting this off.
Right. Just use that big ass pair of pliers.
It's a German tool, a knipper. That was a $200 ratchet you just did.
Was is a good word. Garbage now.
See, look at that. Just the right size tool.
One more.
Will it get tight again?
Freddie.
The carburetor attached to it.
Okay. Got my Rag Specialty cup here. Picked up today. Real cheap. Free.
I like free.
Freebies for the CBs.
What's
For the
up?
CBs of the Navy. We can build them, we
tight.
can fight. That's tight. That's not going to loose.
I think there's a problem with that piece.
We'll pave our way to. Really?
Get that Allen out. I thought they had Allen bits. Didn't they have Allen bits over here? They didn't give us any Allens when they got Torx. That's it for Allen, a 5mm? Is this our only choice?
It's gonna be your tool for that.
That looks like it's a 5mm too. There you go, look at that. See what's in my way. That is not a 5mm. I need a 4 or 4.5 or 4.22, whatever they make.
Yeah, everyone you want right here.
What? Why don't you try it? Stick one in the hole. What do you got?
Stick one in the hole. Let's go, man.
That's the one right there. Whew! That was
gonna
pretty
take-
torque too.
Hey,
That was pretty torquey.
High torque?
Very high torque.
you want to undo that?
These look just like my tools.
There you go. I
How'd
think
that work?
people are going to look at this and go, you guys are
A bunch of morons.
Some monkeys.
A bunch of morons.
3647s.
Is that one tighter?
Knuckleheads.
That one's got a little stomach on it.
Why don't you use your wrench? Here. You don't have room to do it that way. You just can round it off. Go down and get a little small wrench over there. Right here. I need that wrench. And an extension arm here. These are special. Can't just get these
Pretty
anywhere.
high torque though, Tatro.
At least that one actually has some torque on it.
Yeah, this one had 0.
One out of
Zip row.
1 out of 5 had torque. Look at the size of that bolt.
Let's put it in our cute little pan here.
I just scratched the cover. Did you see that?
Just killing the resale on this thing. I can't wait. Joanne wants to learn to ride a motorcycle on this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
That is a special drive out there. Look at that.
Fancy pants.
Flat blade drive. I'm assuming that's an oil pump. So what do you got over here, Fred?
What's an oil pump driver, right?
Here's that gasket. Now don't lose this gasket. It goes on the end of that screw.
Well, it doesn't look like there's gonna be a problem about losing
Okay.
it right
It
now.
will be when you clean it. It'll fall off.
What about this?
This looks expensive if you lose it.
Must be how you fill oil, huh?
Okay,
we're
what's
gonna-
your big hammer and knock this thing off?
You want to tap it? Sorry about that, folks. A little low.
Why don't you take the rest of the screws out right in front of you?
Got that one.
Beat on it with this, beat on it with that.
You're supposed to take the screws out before you did that.
Where you beat on it?
Where's your screwdriver at?
You got one more to do, man.
Well, he's getting lazy over here. He's over here drinking.
Oh,
He's drinking his dinner over here.
That's
Don't run him off either like that last
feels
guy
good.
did. Don't run him off like the last guy did.
And then the Tatro guy.
I'm not admitting to anything.
tater tot.
Somebody stole my damn screwdrivers.
I got it in my hand. Alright.
That didn't come.
That didn't move at all.
Well, this cover should come off now. Why is he doing that over there?
Got rubbers. Vintage. Anything want to come out. We'll leave it. You done with this cover? Get all the screws out this time?
Look at that C.
What about the hidden one on the inside?
Oh, look at that.
Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Think there's any torque on it?
How'd you know I knew that was in there?
Because you just looked and got lucky.
Because I saw a hole there and I figured something in the hole besides air.
I think that's spinning.
Find out and unscrew it.
You might want to mark that screwdriver, that screw, because it's seems like it's in a special spot.
Yeah, it's not chrome probably. All the others were.
Well, it's different.
I didn't see it.
Remember,
You happy now?
that's different. That's it's part of the.
That's black. The other ones are chrome. If I hit it really hard, do I hear what would happen?
It'll break.
We'll just move it over to file 13 over there.
Pretty solid. You got all the screws out?
Deep six it.
Oh, I see. This guy needs to come out.
No, it's
Nope, it's part of the.
Flywheel. Yeah, Fred, quit moving that so much. I'm trying to look in here. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do this. You got like a 3/4 inch wrench? Quite a bit of rubber there. It's pretty hard.
I think you got a pretty well glued
Should
gasket.
we look at the
there.
other side? You think there's anything that comes all the way through?
No.
Apparently not.
This
huh?
cover should come off now. Turn it upside down.
Looks like it's clean.
Yes, you can see a place to break this one off, but you don't see one on this side.
Because it used to hold oil.
There is an edge there, right?
Somebody took my damn toolbox here from me. It's not really enough to get a hold of. It's not enough. You got a nice thin putty knife anywhere?
What?
Thin putty knife?
3-in-1.
I was cutting the sealer off, but I didn't do anything about moving the cover.
Maybe we want to maybe slide on the other side of that. You have a. You got a nothing.
Where's the knife? Where's the blade? There we go. Was that a different one?
Yeah.
It's definitely a sealer. It's stuck on there. No, he was cutting the sealer. It's definitely sealed on there pretty good.
Oops.
Funny noise in the background is dog snoring.
I thought that was Fred.
Not Fred snoring, but dog snoring.
That's Fred doing something wrong.
Look. Oh.
You got a one-inch wide piece of flat metal on the right side? Without a sharp edge. Alright, here we go. Looking for some tools.